room here in Twin Lakes. Siyempre, kagulo na. Takbo-takbo na yung si Kuya. So, once you enter the room, here is the closet. Bye! Closets. Landing area for the items and for the shoes. Pantry area. So, meron tayong coffee. Do we have coffee? Yes, we have coffee. And the standards. And I think we have, yay! Bar ref. Bar ref here. Oop.
Oh, it's a little fridge.
It's a what?
It's a little fridge. Look, it opens.
Yeah.
Here, mommy. Look.
Kuya, wag dyan. That's the alcohol. It's our in-house alcohol. So, we brought this courtesy of Christian para laging may ready na alcohol for disinfecting sa room.
Oh, this is open.
Yes, demo. Thank you.
Open.
And then the TV.
Your video is ready.
Now the bathroom. Nice. Bathroom tour. Actually, nakapag-bathroom na kami kanina, kaya you will see medyo messy. But of course, ay, iba talaga pag bathroom selfie, no? Yung ilaw talaga sa bathroom, iba. Okay, so full amenities. May hair dryer, toiletries, and a bathtub that you can open too, and you can see the room out. This is done. Ayun. Ayun. Shower. Kuya, what can you say about the bathroom?
Gucci.
Muchi, is it good? Kuya, look at mommy. Is it good? Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Hi.
It's a bit hot.
Yeah. I'm just looking down.
Thumbs up or thumbs down? Okay, yung kausap ko not in the mood. And then the king size bed. Daddy, king size ba to? King size bed. And we requested for another bed here for Atilu. Kuya, what are you doing there? What are you doing? In our room, we have a balcony. Yay! And when we open the balcony, the aircon automatically shuts off.
I have to go to the pool, mommy. We want to go to the pool.
Oh yeah, there's a pool. May kiddie pool pala oh. Dapat dinala ko yung ano yun? Salbabida ni Romulo. Sayo oh. Pero hindi pa siya marunong mag-swimming. Nagpa-practice pa lang siya kanina sa ano. Hala, may bata tumatawid dun sa adult pool. Buti nila mababaw lang. Ito yung crater, yan. Tapos, 'di ba yung mismong tubig crater din 'yan, 'di ba?
Yes.
So we're actually on a crater. Video to tayo.
Yeah.
Ito na po yung date namin. Sa balkonahe. Kumusta ang yung stay dito sa Twin Lakes?
I love it. Never expected to be this exhilarating.
Iba talaga yung yung precautionary measures na kailangan gawin.
That's right.
Mask, alcohol, maya't maya.
Social distancing.
Social distancing. Tapos takot na tayo ngayon na ano yung kahit gusto nating kumain halimbawa sa isang restaurant pero pag bawal yung bata, bawal talaga, hindi pwedeng ipilit. Tapos pag madaming tao, wala. Retreat.
Guys, ano dinner natin?
Oo nga, dinner. Okay, so Hubby and I are on dinner duty. So, pwede naman magpa room service, syempre, kay Twin Lakes. But, since we're in Tagaytay, we are craving for bag of beans. And ang awesome kay Twin Lakes, may malapit na bag of beans dito. Yes! So, labas lang kami to buy dinner for everyone. Elevator, syempre. Social distancing pa rin. Ay, mali. Dapat nandito pala ako.
No.
Oh, nice.
Subuhin nga ito.
So, kami ni Hubby, we decided to walk from there to there to buy dinner. Buti na lang, ito rin pala magandang use ng face shield. Bawas windburn.
Right.
Lamig eh. Lamig dito. Mga ilang degrees kaya ito, Daddy?
I think we're 24 na. 23.
24. 24 degrees. And, anong oras ba? 5:30?
Yep.
5:30 pero medyo madilim-dilim na. Lamig! From Tagaytay. Malapit na rin naman pala. I think Daddy may... Malapit na Dad. I think may doon, stairs. See? Okay, so yung tinuro ko kanina, hindi pala yung stairs. We're here! Bag of beans. So, take out lang kami. Pero pwede ditong mag 9 in.